Have you ever come across this tiny looking grain, the smallest grain in the millet family? It's an ancient grain from West Africa and it's known as Acha, and it's popular in northern Nigeria. It can also be called hungry rice or fonio. It's rich in vitamins, mineral, carbohydrates, dietary fiber, amino acid and lots more. In this video, I'm going to be discussing some of the health benefits of consuming this amazing food. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. Acha is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a very good food for weight management. Acha is also rich in zinc and iron, which helps to boost the overall immunity of the body, support wound healing, and also help to increase the body's ability to fight diseases. The fiber in Acha helps to lower low-density lipoprotein, that is the bad cholesterol, leading to a better cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart diseases. Since Acha is rich in phosphorus and magnesium, they help to support strong bones and teeth and also help to prevent bone-related diseases. Acha contains antioxidant properties that help to fight oxidative stress, which can reduce inflammation, lower the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer or heart diseases. The mineral in Acha, most especially magnesium and potassium, supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure. The fiber content in Acha aid in digestion, promote gut health, and also help to prevent constipation. For diabetic patients, this might interest you the most because Acha has a low glycemic index, meaning it can help to regulate blood sugar level, making it a very good food for those with diabetes or those that are trying to manage blood glucose spike. There are other health benefits of consuming Acha, but this is just to mention a few. I'll be uploading subsequently different recipes on how to prepare Acha because Acha can be prepared in different ways. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this will be a perfect moment for you to do so by hitting the subscribe button down below and also turning on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload those videos. Please do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye!